The number of Shiba Inu addresses is continuing to grow. Right now, the total addresses has reached the 1.23 million number. That means 1.23 million addresses own Shiba Inu. That number's continued to rise and steadily rise here in 2023. And I want to point to some of the other areas of fundamental growth here because SHIB has not been the hottest community or meme token here in 2023, yet it still shows signs of great strength and great fundamental growth that we're going to get into. So we mentioned 1.23 million now on the network. It's a significant milestone for the project. It shows that despite recent price declines and maybe just less volatility and competition from other meme coins, the network is still growing. So SHIB has been struggling to maintain its position among its counterparts such as Floki and Bone, at least to start the year, because those two in particular and some others have had just an amazing run. Suka is another one. Volt has had a nice little run as well, which have been gaining popularity and market share in recent weeks. In fact, we can actually take a look at the top meme coins. Let's go ahead and go top meme coins. You can kind of see what's been happening here by market cap. You've got Dogecoin, you've got Shiba Inu, you've got Bone, all there in the top 100. Then you've got Elon, Floki, Baby Doge. There's Suka, by the way, on the list, just ahead of Volt and Shiba Predator. Mona Coin has also lost a little steam here, but Suka, Baby Doge also really gaining some steam this year. Floki has had a nice run, and Dogelon Mars continues to remain steady. So there's your top list right now of the top meme coins. However, the fact that the number of addresses on the Shiba Inu network continues to increase is a positive sign for the project's long-term prospects. And you got to remember, SHIB is gearing up for some big things happening, right, in the ecosystem with Shibarium. So it makes sense as to why a lot of people are flocking to Bone and Leash and some other meme coins right now ahead of Shibarium, because a lot of people already have their bags packed with SHIB, right? Now, the average volume has remained steady with SHIB, around 73 million in trading volume over the past week, which is pretty solid. SHIB has been subject to a lot of volatility since its inception. We know this, with large price swings occurring frequently. However, the fundamental growth of the project suggests there's still significant interest in the network as a whole, which could lead to a rebound in prices in the future. The increase in the number of addresses on the Shiba Inu network is an important metric to watch. It indicates that more users are joining and using the crypto. This is a positive sign for the project. In fact, we always want to see this continued growth and more holders being added. By seeing that, then we know that we're heading in the right direction. So SHIB still showing big signs of fundamental growth here. We'll be bringing you up to speed on all the latest news and information surrounding Shiba Inu, of course, and everything else in the cryptocurrency space right here on this channel. So make sure you guys are locked in by hitting that subscribe button down below.